going on, guys? Straight that drain guy. How you doing? You guys got a plug bathtub?
Yes.
Alright, here, take care of it for you.
Just a lot of stuff away.
No worries, no worries. That should be good, guys. Where am I going exactly? Oh, around there?
To the left, yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Got room there?
Yeah, it should be good. Thank you. No one's in there?
Nope. All good.
Alright, I'm gonna close the door, alright?
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay. So, here's the thing. This looks clear, but at the end of this rod should be like a metal plunger that would go down and plug the drain, but it clearly broke off. So we're gonna have to get the plumber here to open up the wall or the ceiling downstairs and remove this drain and repair it. So until next time, guys, this has been Jay that Drain Guy signing out. Trogna.